So hi there, welcome to this tutorial. Welcome to Crazy Graphics tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to enhance the quality of your image and also how to add light effects to your photos in Snapseed with your phone. Alright, so let me just pick up this. Now if you've watched some of my tutorials, you would have seen this. Okay, now if you have an image like this, and for this image I think the quality is fair. Alright, so we're not going to do so much. Alright, so I'm going to create a dedicated tutorial on how you can treat your image and make them sharper, and as well the next tutorial is going to be on how you can increase the quality itself. So I've found out a platform that does that very well, and I'm going to do that in the next video. Now if you have this image and you really want to add let's say light effects, okay, if you want to add light effect to this image, what will you do? Just make sure the background image is white first of all. Okay, just make sure it's white. So how would you remove the background of your image? You can check the description of the video or video that's hovering around to see how you can automatically remove the background of your image. You could use PhotoRoom or you could use remove the BG. That video is going to guide you on how to do that, okay, so that you can place it on a white background and export. All right, maybe we should do that. Okay, so you can come to remove the BG, or for me I use PhotoRoom. All right, I use PhotoRoom. Okay, so if you open your PhotoRoom application, you can, so if the background of the image is not white already, if you open this application PhotoRoom, what you are going to do is, let it load, what you're going to do is you're going to remove the background of the image, and then you are going to just change it to white before you add the light effects. Okay, and then you remove the background again before you use for your design. So now you can see this, you can choose white. So if you choose white, can you see white here? So if you choose white, it's going to load your image. So I'm going to pick this Pastor Chris's image because it has a different background. You can see the quality is very poor, and we are going to increase this quality in the next tutorial. All right, so my major aim of this tutorial is to show you how to add light effect. Okay, you can see the quality of this is very poor. When we increase the quality, you are going to see how it's going to look differently. So now the background of the image of this image is white. That was because I chose white. You could choose black, you could choose transparent if you want to make it transparent. Now just click export, and I'll just save to my gallery here. Okay, so if you have another version of PhotoRoom, this might be a little different. So I'll just save to gallery from here, and it will go to my gallery. I don't want to save it yet. So once the background has been turned to white, you then open Snapseed and open the image like this. So we want to add light effect right now. So come to tools below here, and then choose double exposure. So when you choose double exposure, look at the gallery icon here, click it, and then it's going to take you to your gallery. So go to where you have this effect saved. For me, I have them saved in my pins. All right, so I've used this and I've loaded them for a couple of tutorials, so you can check the similar video as well to see the tutorial series I did on flyer designs for birthdays, professional birthday flyer designs. There are 7 collection of videos there that really guide you. Now, how did I get this light effect? You can just simply go to Pinterest, all right, and just type light effects. You don't even need to type PNG, just download the ones with black background. You can just simply say, come to search and just say light effects or lens flare. So I've seen light effects here, so it's going to give me, can you see? So you can download any of this that you want to use. So for me, this was the one. You can get this first one here. You can see there's background, there's video overlay and stuff like that. So if you check for light effect, just click the 3 dots or click the image. If you're using your phone, you could also access this. This is the application. You could also access it via www.pinterest.com. okay, I think you can see that on your screen. I just love that, so I just downloaded this other one because I just saw maybe I might use that. You can see the one I downloaded. If you saw what I opened in my gallery, you could see this one as well, so I downloaded that. So you could just click the 3 dots here and you can see download image, so you click and download. So that was how I got to download that. So let me just go back there. So I'm now going to pick this for my double exposure. Now you can see that it's not looking very good, and that's because of the blend mode. So I'm going to change the blend mode from default. Lighting is really not coming out very well as well, so I'll change the blend mode to add possibly. Okay, now you can see that it's becoming a little bit better. All right, so now it depends on what you're doing. Okay, it depends on what you're doing. So as I've added it, you can see that the light effect is really coming by the side. Okay, So you can, overlay is not going to work so well, subtract is not going to work so well, depending on what you're doing though. Okay, so I either use light or the default. For the default, you can actually use the default depending on what you're doing. So you can change, look at what's happening here. You can change the opacity from here as well. Okay, but that's going to look so dull for me, so I usually would use add. Okay, so you just add this light effect from the side here. Okay, just add light effect from the side here, so you can play around with this blend modes. Okay, lighting is going to make part of it dark kind of, so I really don't like using, like I've said. So let's add. And the reason why you're using white background is so that you can see that it's as if nothing is happening right there. Okay, I'll just hit OK, and can you see the light effect has been added? So maybe let me just sharpen this a little bit. You can increase the structure. Can you see? Increase the structure of this and maybe sharpen it a little bit for yourself. Okay, so not too much, it just depends on what you want to have. Can you see the image has just really changed drastically? And you could export this. After you export it, you could go to PhotoRoom, remove the background before you use it for your design. So this is one of the ways to really lighten up or add light effects to your images before you use them for your designs. Now, what if you have a design that has maybe you're designing and then you are using green color for the design and you want the effect, the light effect, to be green? Alright, there's a way to do that. If you want me to make a video about that, comment. Alright, say that in the comment section, and I'm going to do another video to show you how to add specific colors of light effect to your images before you use them for design. Now, this effect, you can add this effect after you've made the design, but if you want the image itself to have that light effect before you use it for your design, and then maybe you add mild light effects after the design, this is how to achieve that. Alright, see you in the next one. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to increase the quality of your image. After that, depending on what you guys say on the comment section, I'll create another video also, maybe around this, how to add light effect of another color, alright, to your video, to your image. What am I saying? Alright, so thank you for watching. See you in the next one.